So our general email templates looks like, when we come, when we talk about any bank related transactions, I'm sorry, I couldn't show you. I don't know why my Yahoo mail is not opening here. Yeah, um, all the banks were connected to it. Yeah. So our general email from bank will be showing it like, dear customer, your account number ending so and so has been credited or debited with so and so amount, and your date available balance is this, right? So this is how it shows. So the email template which we have designed already is, uh, let us log into our org. So we were discussing on the classic email templates, and we have got a chance to create a plain text email template, and also we have created a folder, that is unfiled public folder is already there, and my personal folder is personal folder. Public folder is a folder which is accessible to everybody, and personal folder, it will be accessible to only the logged in user. And this is the folder which we have created. So we have added support case, created one template from our unfiled available templates, the standard templates. We have added it to our Dell business because we were going to use it. And we created contact, created one template and made a demo of it, how it is going to work. So we have written the complete information of how how the template is going to send a message to the customer when a contact record is created. So this we have done it, but here the problems which we are facing is, uh, so here the only problem is like the subject we cannot edit. We will have to give a plain text, and the body of the email also we don't have any rich text, right? So we can't customize it. It's just a normal text which can be sent to n number of customers, of course. But all the customers, to all the customers, it will be the same message, right? But when we come across something like a customer related, banking related email, let's say. So this here it says account ending with 9036. So this is specific to a customer. And this amount is specific to a customer. This amount is specific to a customer. And even greetings also we can give, instead of dear customer, we can give dear so and so, the name of the person, right? So we can customize the email in such a way that it is customizable to a particular single customer. Okay, so that is where we come across a concept called merge fields. So yes, let's take an example of our candidate object. So here we have an object candidate which is having account number, last four digits of the account number, customer name, balance, recent transactions, and type of the transaction. So let's say some three accounts we have it in our table, and I have some, uh, so I have this customer named Ramesh, and he has a transaction of for credit of 4,000 rupees, and it's a credit transaction, let's see. So when we do this particular transaction, so here the values are going to change, right? So this 24,000 is going to be, so we have to edit when a 4,000 is uh, credited to this account. So we will have to put the updated amount is like 28,450 something, right? So we had 24,450 and we credit, there was a transaction happened of 4,000 credit. So here our mail has to be triggered whenever the customer has performed the transaction. So our mail has to be triggered saying your account ending with this has been credited with this and your net available balance is this. So in order to give this kind of mail to our customer, so we need some dynamic fields to be appeared on our email subject as well as email body content also, subject and content. So in order to have dynamic content in our email subject and email content, so we have something called merge fields, which is used to create uh, customize the email subject and email content to the particular customer. So merge fields means we will be, these fields are used to embed select records content inside the email template so that we can make email subject and content dynamic. So here in the plain text format, it's email subject and content were not dynamic. So now in our second type of email templates, that is HTML. So we are making use of uh, in our email body, we wanted to make it dynamic. So we were making use of some fields called merge fields. So merge fields are used for embedding some customer records into the email body as well as email subject. So the syntax for these merge fields is like the flower braces followed by the flower braces indicates start of the merge field and exclamation indicates insert this particular dynamic field into the place wherever this particular is found. So object name dot field name. So example is like account dot name, example of a custom object position underscore underscore c dot location underscore underscore c. So for our position object, so we can do the customization like this based on our record which is present in the customer object. Okay. So now we are going to do a demo on the merge fields. So how we are going to do insert a merge field on our uh, email email templates. Okay. So create an email template to notify an account person. Let's do this particular assignment number 15. Okay. So as a practical demo in the class, I would be giving a few other assignments for you to do at later point in time of the day. So create an email template. So we are going to use email templates with the help of merge fields, which will be like make us feel dynamic content and dynamic subject on the email template. So create an email template to notify the account person on creating a new account record by including account details inside the email template. So why account details? In the sense we are going to do demo on the merge fields, right? So some of the merge fields we are going to use. So we are placing them in the account, email template body. Okay. So for this, I will go ahead and write subject. So I'm writing it here because we will be using it in our demo. So that's the reason I'm writing it completely. And don't mind, I will be writing only few fields. Don't worry. Yeah. Congratulations. Okay. So here, as we said, the subject also we can customize. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm going to write the account person's name. So how we are going to do? Using the merge field, and the merge field starts like this, and account dot name. This is our account records name. Your account record has been created successfully. And yeah, our email content or email body can be so dear. Again, I was telling you, right? We can customize even the person's name as well. Thank you for purchasing our products. I'm making it more simple. We are happy to inform you that your account record has been created successfully, and here are your details. Why we are giving the details is we and as we need to demo on the merge fields even in our email content body content as well. Okay. So account name, we already referenced it. Let's go industry. Account dot industry. Okay. So I'm making it minimal fields here because this is just a demo. Uh, so the same sales team will keep. Okay, so this is our email content and email subject. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create an email template. So let us do the So let us go ahead and create an email template, a new email template as part of our Dell business only. Okay, go here and click on new template. Uh, yeah, it's the same text template, but we are going to make use of merge fields in it. So we are creating text template again. Letterheads we will discuss again, and yeah, HTML also we will be discussing. So I'm placing it in the same folder. Um, Merge fields demo. Okay, this is my template name. You will have to make it ready for use. So description not needed. If you want, you can give. And subject, we were typing the subject, right? Congratulations. So give the subject, and content you can give. Okay, and click on save. Okay, so your template has been created and saved. So now we are going to do what we are going to do is we are going to test and verify this merge fields. So I'm going to send it to, hey, we will do some interactive sessions. Does anyone have, and can anyone show their email?
Can I give mine?
Yes. So you will have to show that email, this email. Okay. So tell me the email ID.
Yeah. I put it in the chat.
Thank you. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm sending an email to Shrikant. Okay, Shrikant, can you check if you have received any email from uh, my Salesforce org?
Yeah, Dilip, I received the email.
Okay. How are these merge fields looking?
Uh, it's it's not showing.
Okay. The reason being here is to which account record you are referring to. That is needed, right? So that's the reason it won't give you any details. So what I will do is account record, and in that we will select any of the accounts. So it was giving just the flower brackets and exclamation, right? Okay. So we were not referring to any account record. That's the reason we have this. See, so we were referring to Genie Point account. So that's the reason now we were able to find the details of it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I'll send one more one more email to Srikanth. Okay.
No, no, please send to Digvijay.
Yes.
Anything is fine. Anything is fine, Srikanth.
So your account is Express Logistics. Okay. So now can you check Srikanth one more time?
Yeah, Dilip, it's showing.
Okay.
Genie
So
point account.
right. So here actually what we were doing is we are checking only the uh, so we were checking only, we were referring to already created account objects, but we can also create a rule making sure that whenever any new account record is created, this particular email template gets triggered automatically. We can do that as well. Okay. So this is our demo on merge fields. So let us go ahead and um, see what all the things we have. So creating letterheads, yeah, let me discuss. So the demo which we have done, it should be sending an email notification to the specified email ID. So it has sent to me as well as Srikanth as we were doing the demo with the required subject and the content also. So it has included that account record details. So I just gave only a few details of it, but yes, in our demo, you write down all the 5 to 6 fields at least. So to make sure your merge fields is working well. Okay. So this is about merge fields. Coming to letterheads, so letterheads is nothing but we can create for the company related emails. So we get the logos on top of it, right? Logos and also the um, so be below to our thanks and regards, we will be having some other logos, the company logos, company details, right? So those kind of things are created you making use of letterheads. So Salesforce will allow us to prepare our own letterheads, based on the company. So like with the required header and the footer. So we can even put some logos also, we can put some images. So all this we can do, making use of letterhead. So we can use the letterheads in order to send email notification to the user, which gives, attractive feel. So initially we were only dealing with plain text. And later on, we were customizing the text to specific user, making use of merge fields. So now comes our HTML as well as letterheads, where we can make, the rich look on our email content. Okay. So that we can do it. So we can have one or more letterheads in our organization. You can, go ahead and create letterheads using our communication templates. Okay. So let me show you how we are going to create letterheads. So I'm moving to classic. Let's say go here, and in the administer its communication templates, you can see classic letterheads. Set up your letterhead to standardize the look and feel of HTML email templates. Okay. So we can create our own letterhead this way. Excuse me. So click on this new letterhead, and you can give the label test, letterhead name, and the letterhead description. This is click on save. Customize the look and feel of your letterhead now. Okay. So we can put, see, you can uh, put some logos here or write some text here and edit body colors. Even the body background or body text colors we can edit here. And we can also put some logos at the footer as well. Logos as well as company uh, accreditations or something like that. So all this we can put it in our template and then click on save. So we are done. We can use this particular letterhead. Okay. So using this, again, we are not going to do demo on this, but yes, you can try your uh, creating a letterheads because we are not going to use them mostly. So that's the reason. But yes, you can try at home and let me know if you have any doubts. So this is about creating a letterhead. So next is we would be creating an email with HTML type. Okay. So our second type of email templates, HTML type. So by using this HTML email templates, we can send the email notification, to the people required with the subject and content, and also making use of our letterhead also. So we can make use of our letterhead within our HTML type, which makes the email content look more attractive. Okay. So yeah. So for today, I will give you a few assignments, and post to that, we will be doing our uh, uh, demo on HTML type of email templates. So here is the assignments which you will have to do it at home in your free time. Create an email template to notify the hiring manager on creating a new hiring Okay. So here we are making use of merge fields, and also we are making use of our email template to be triggered while when we create a new hiring manager record. Okay, so we have our hiring manager object which is already created. So go ahead and create an email template making use of merge fields, and our email subject and content should have merge fields. And whenever a new, the criteria for this particular email template to be triggered is whenever a new record is added to hiring manager object, this email template should fire. So try this and create to notify. So this is another one. So this one, both are same almost. So we are creating a template, email template, including merge fields. And this one, we are creating it on um, our custom object hiring manager. And this one we are creating on a standard object lead object. So try this, both the templates, creating them. And then, you can come back to me tomorrow if you have any questions. Okay. So we will have another 1 or 2 classes on email templates, and then we will be moving ahead to security concepts. Okay. So this is all about today's class, and I'm sorry for the delay. I was having back-to-back meetings, and you can see some pings also right in between. So I'm sorry for that. Yeah. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Dilip.